Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's topic is this: stocks to buy and sell. Or rather, how do you buy stocks? How do you sell stocks? I tell people one thing: the stock market is like any other market. If you take Gikomba, for example, they are buyers and they are sellers. And they sell many things. So to buy, let's say you want to buy watermelon. Then what it means that you need to get someone with a watermelon to help to sell to you. Or if you want to buy oranges, then you need someone having oranges to sell to you. The same thing with the stock market. You need to have some people having the shares and some people selling the shares. And all these things happen under an environment. And the person who facilitates this is a stockbroker. I'm reading this book by Lawrence Robert Leach. He explains a lot about the stock market. So the work of the stockbroker then is to bring the two of you together in the stock market. And of course, stockbroker basically is just a broker or a connector. He connects you to the main market where there are other buyers and there are other sellers in the stock market. So for you to buy and sell shares, then you need to do it through an environment. And this environment is called a CDS account. It is through your CDS account that you are able to buy shares and sell shares. You don't buy and sell through any other method. You buy and sell through your CDS account. Of course, once you have the CDS account, you'll be given a back end to the stock market. And from that, you'll be able to see people selling and you'll be able to see people buying. The same way in Gikomba, there are people selling and there's people buying in the Gikomba market. The same way in the stock market, you will see people selling and people buying. And you see these only inside your CDS account, because your CDS account will be able to give you the stock market environment. So how do you get a CDS account? You need three things. 1, ID. 2, passport photos. 2 passport photos. And 3, you need a KRA pin. If you are not in Kenya or you are not a Kenyan, then you need, instead of an ID, then you will need a passport. Your passport ID can also work. Then once you have this, you can send this to your stockbroker or an agent. And the agent will give you forms to fill. And the agent in this channel or this group is Mike Ayo. His telephone number is on the description below. Once you have these details, the ID, the passport, and the KRA pin, you can send these details to your stockbroker or the agent. Then you will be able to, they'll help you open a CDS account. But then there are 30 stockbrokers. You can find all of them at the NSE website, Nairobi Securities Exchange website. Once you have this information and your CDS account is open, then you are able to deposit money in the CDS account. Once you deposit money in the CDS account and the account has been activated, it takes about 3 to 4 days to activate. Then you are able to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Buy Safaricom, sell. Buy Equity Bank, sell. Buy KCB, it rises up, you sell. Buy Coop Bank, it rises up, you sell. Buy Absa at 8 shillings, it rises up to 10 shillings, you sell. Buy East African Breweries at 170, it rises up to 200, you sell. So basically, that's what we keep doing every day on a repeat mode. That's how you buy shares and that's how you sell. You only do that through the CDS account, because with that account, you are given the stock market environment. where you see buyers and you see sellers, and you're able to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Basically, that's how to buy shares and sell shares. I tell people again, the stock market is like a market like any other. There are buyers and there are sellers. So your work is to buy, wait for a period of time, the share goes up, and you sell. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Click the red button. Secondly, join our Telegram group.